Order of operations. This is also called PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, that is nothing but brackets. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication, followed by D for division, A for addition, and finally S for subtraction. When we carry out the PEMDAS, that is the order of operations, should be in this priority. For example, let us consider the problem given below. 35 plus 3 into 5 minus 2 squared plus 4 divided by 2 plus 10 minus 8 within the parenthesis. So in this problem, we need to give the priority to parenthesis. That is point number 1. Here it is indicated by 1, that is 10 minus 8. So those numbers are available within the parenthesis. So 10 minus 8. So that is the first operation you are supposed to do. You may get confused, sir. That is, subtraction is given at the last only. Why do you take the first one? Because here it is given within parenthesis. So since parenthesis is, that is the bracket is given, that should be the first priority. And that is why I have taken 10 minus 8, which are available within brackets, that is parenthesis. So 10 minus 8, 2. So we should be ready. And just to look for the exponents, where the exponents are available, go to point number 2, that is given in a red pencil. 2, that is 2 squared. So that should be multiplied. Got it? So 2 squared is equal to 4. And then third one, multiplication. Identify the multiplication here. 3 into 5, that is the third one. 3 into 5, that is 15. Then what is the fourth one? Division. So go for division, that is the fourth one. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And that is, look for addition. So here we have 35 plus we already multiplied this 3 into 5, 15. So you can add these two. And subtraction. So finally, that is point number 6. The subtraction can be done. Are you able to understand? So this is the way you had to proceed with such kind of plus, minus, multiplication, division, exponents, and parenthesis. So the order of operations should be in this way. That is, parenthesis first, exponent second, multiplication third, division fourth, addition fifth, and finally subtraction. So based on this, we will be giving worksheets. Try to complete those worksheets. Thank you very much for watching this video.